Okay, this is the puppies at 5 weeks old. Notice they all have collars on now. Oh, we're going to have a tussle. Come on. Girls. Come on, girls. Don't get into stuff. Oh, they love their toys. Don't eat the rug. Get your frog. Oh, they don't like their collars. We have our new collars on today, and so everybody has to scratch on them. Girls, come on. Come on. Where's Mimi's girls? There they are. There they are. Come here. As you can see, Mimi is in the pen. Come on, girls. You can't find Mimi. Come on. Where did everybody go? It's fun time.